How to get Prime membership in Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can get Prime membership in Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to get Prime membership in Amazon, open your browser, go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I repeat, amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down below. Once you're here, what you need to do is make sure to log into one of your Amazon accounts, and when you log into one of your Amazon accounts, you will see this type of interface where you'll find the option called, if you don't have subscription, you'll find start your free 30-day trial. So you just gotta go and tap on the start your free 30-day trial option, and here you should be able to see all the benefits that you get along with Prime subscription. So go ahead and then make sure to actually enter those details. Once done, at the bottom you can select your payment method, and once you select your payment method, you could also use a gift card if you do have. Otherwise, you can enter your credit or debit card, PayPal, Venmo, whatever else, and you'd have successfully bought Prime membership in Amazon. This way you can get Prime membership in Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.